So you picked up the all new iPhone 11, 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max and you're looking for the first 11 things that you can do on your new iPhone, right? Hey, what's up guys, it's Manu here from Andro.com. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly that. Smash that subscribe button if you're new to my channel and let's get started. The first time when you set up your iPhone, you're going to be setting up Face Unlock. But what you won't do is setting up an alternate appearance. Yes, that's right. Now with Face Unlock, Apple is enabling an alternate appearance to be added to your iPhone. In order to add that, you need to go into Face ID and passcode, and from here you can go ahead and hit on set up an alternate appearance. So now the process is simple. So just like the time you set up Face ID before, you can add another person's appearance easily from here. Or if you have an alternate appearance, let's say you wear shades or whatever outside and Face ID won't recognize quite often, in that case you can add it here as well. I personally wear glasses and I didn't have to face any issues while I was wearing glasses and when I was without glasses. The next thing you need to do is you need to go into the control section under settings, and here you have an option to customize the control. So here you can adjust the control center options and you can add or remove whatever you like and whatever you don't like, and you can also adjust the order here so you can customize it the way you want. If you move to an iPhone from an Android phone, a lot of people think they can't use their Google account for contacts on their iPhone, but that's not the case. You actually can do that. So you can do that under settings, and under passwords and accounts, you can go ahead and add any type of account that is listed here. So I personally have added my Google account, and what that will do is that will sync all my mails, the contacts, calendars and notes of my Google account onto my iPhone. So you too can do that just as easily from this section. The iPhone doesn't have a notification light as such, but however, Apple has integrated something called Flash LED for notifications. So you can find this under accessibility, and under audio and visual at the bottom there's an option for LED flash for alert. So what this will do is, let's say when you're getting a call or a text message, the LED light at the back will flash out. Not only will it give a pretty cool effect, it will also be a good representation for you to see when you get a call, especially when it's on silent mode. Sometimes it's a bit too flashy when you're outside, so use it with caution. I really wish Apple can add an option here to increase or decrease the brightness of the LED light at the back for this. With iOS 13, Apple introduced a dark mode that a lot of people enjoyed, including myself. But the thing is, if you just continue to use the dark mode, you're gonna get sick of it, right? So there's actually a way to enable automatic dark mode on your iPhone. So what this will do is, if you enable it from here, you can set it to sunset to sunrise, or you can set a custom schedule. So in the morning your iPhone is going to be light, and at night it's automatically gonna enable the dark mode. That's pretty cool. If you're wondering how you can reduce the text size from the display and brightness settings, you need to go into text size, and from here you can adjust what the text will look like. I personally have it at the lowest setting because then I can have more information on my screen at once. Sometimes when you keep getting calls from unknown numbers, it gets annoying. So there's an option on the iPhone under phone which will silence all unknown callers, and you can just enable this if you want. So all calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, and it will either be sent to your voicemail or it will be displayed on your recent list. However, if you use this, incoming calls will continue to ring for people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, or Siri suggestions. So that's pretty neat if you hate getting calls from unknown numbers. So this might be a good way to block all those spammy calls. With your iPhone, you also get this application called Apple Health, and I highly recommend you to go ahead and set it up and update that application ever so often so you can have an estimation about your health and daily activities. So here you can set what your favorite things are, and if you have an Apple Watch set up here, you have more options here, and there are different health categories that are available here for you to check out. So definitely go ahead and edit this according to your lifestyle. The next thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and make sure that Find My iPhone is enabled on your device. So you can do this from this new Find My application, and here it will show all the devices that are linked to your account, and you can enable share location for this, and you can edit the location name. And the best part is, once you do this, you can track no matter where your iPhone is as long as it's turned on and it's connected to a network. From the iPhone's home page, if you swipe left, there is a widgets page that has a lot of widgets, and you can also install new widgets if you install new applications. And lastly, the most important thing you have to do is you need to open up the Apple App Store, and you need to install all the applications that you think will add to your experience. The best part about the Apple App Store is having that superior app ecosystem. So install all the applications that you think would be important to you, and then you can get a good experience on your iPhone. Well guys, those are the first 11 things you need to do on your new iPhone. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and smash that like button, hit on that subscribe button, follow me on social media. All the links are given down below in the description. And if you share this video with your friends, that would be pretty awesome too. Stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.